I wanted to talk through spatula options when doing any facial waxing, specifically brow waxing. I have a couple here that I would recommend not to use, and I will give you the reasons why, and then I have a couple that will be more successful. The first one I've got here is an orange stick, which is quite commonly used in salons for brow waxing. They're normally used in manicures and pedicures. And the reason I would suggest not using these is they are rounded, and it's quite important to use a flat edge. And an orange stick also isn't going to hold as much wax as you want to cover the length of the brow area. The other one that I would suggest isn't appropriate to use are these slightly thinner spatulas that are very easy to bend and flex, because they give no stability with the application. Especially when you're working with a peelable wax, you need the pressure behind the application, which means you need a sturdy spatula. I would recommend you use either a specific brow spatula, which are completely solid, and they've got a nice round edge and are completely flat, which means you can do your application. Their brow ones are slightly thinner. Personally, I really enjoy working with the facial spatula, which is very similar but completely solid without any flex at all. They're slightly wider with the round top, and they will hold a nice amount of your peelable wax so that you can do the application for the full length of the brow.